What up, Mogul fam? You ready, Artie?
Yeah, I'm always ready.
All right, bro. Let's go.
You and I, we're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time.
What up, Mogul fam? This is Abraham with the Mogul. I just came to pick up Artie because today we're gonna go to DCD Customs to pick up Dave's custom Jeep, and we're just gonna take it out for the day, just drive it around and see what's up. So I just came to Artie's house. What up, Art?
Trying to do something. What's up, guys? Welcome
Are
to
you
another
ready?
video. Yeah, bro, let's roll.
All right, brother. Let's go have some fun. Well, guys, we just got here to DCD Customs. So let me show you guys the Jeep that I'm gonna be taking out today. It's gonna be right here, the Beast. We're just gonna have a little bit of fun with this, right, Artie?
Yeah, take it out. Beverly Hills, maybe. See who we could pick up with this baby right here.
Oh yeah, it's a badass car right here, man.
It's not a car,
Let's
it's
do
a
this.
Jeep, bro. It's
Oh
a
yeah,
Jeep.
it's not a car, it's
Sorry,
a Jeep.
Jeep guys, sorry.
Yeah, it's a Jeep. It's a rock crawler, right? Badass car. All right, let's get the keys.
So we got the keys to the Jeep. We about to roll out soon, but I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a cold start so you could hear the sound of the bad boy.
We just came to the gas station, filling up the Beast right here. And me and Artie were talking, and we were like, our friend of ours just bought the 4x4 square, George, and we're just thinking about maybe, doing a race head-to-head with this car and see who's gonna win, American Muscle versus German Engineering. What do you think, Artie?
I think it's going to be a close race because there are both two beasts of animals, the off-road vehicles. They're both pushing V8s because this one's got a Hemi, right?
Yeah, this has
We got a
Hemi.
Hemi in here, and then we got the AMG G550 square. So I don't know, it's a tight race, but I'm for German engineering.
I got American Engineering right here, American Muscle, and I think the Hemi's gonna take that car. So comment below, guys, if you guys want the race. We'll do it for you guys. We'll make that thing happen for you guys, and we'll call George and see what's up and just go from there. All right? See you later, guys. Wanted to take a little break and talk to you guys about the Jeep, tell you guys what kind of modifications he has on it. So right now, what you see right here is a 2015 JK that was pretty much ripped apart and put back together again. This car has a 6.4 Hemi engine in it, modified. It has Rock Jock 70s from Curry Enterprises, front and back. It's rolling on trail ready wheels with 40-inch tires. This car is crazy, guys. I mean, fully armored. If you take a look at the bottom, the thing has probably a half an inch or even an inch metal plate going all the way around. Just look at the suspension. He has king shocks, coilovers. It has the Gen Right Elite lift on the car. I mean, it's just fully loaded, guys. I mean, the thing is massive. Particularly as a race car. Just look at this. Full harness system, straps, Carbow seats. I mean, full Gen Right roll cage. A lot of Jeeps have this pillar right here. It's been shaved off. I mean, this car is just insane. He has a metal roof on top, if you guys can see it. I mean, it has the Baja design lights, which I love actually. My car has rigids, but those Baja designs are really nice. You got the worn winch on there. The axles are 70s and it's been fully redone. I mean, inside out, everything. It has hydraulic steering on the car. I mean, it's crazy, guys. This thing is just a beast. So
deaf for now. I need my ears to recover because this car we're doing it down the freeway trying to get to Beverly Hills, and I'm deaf. I can't hear shit. I need an Advil, some pain relievers or something.
well, Artie, I told you to get those earplugs, man.
Yeah, I should have came with ear muffins, man. Boom. And glasses.
I got a little bit of other surprises for you guys. Check it out. A badass Alpine system right here. I mean, an Atlas transfer case. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention, guys. This thing has an AMG transmission in it. The stock Jeeps come with a Mercedes transmission. That I think I'm not sure they used to use it in the old E-Class. Quick.
So you got an AMG transmission here. So if you really think about it, if the Jeep does beat the G-Wagon, it's still part German engineering.
No, it's not. It's owned by Daimler.
Well, if
it's owned by Daimler, guys. Chrysler, Daimler.
Man, if you don't got
technically it's American engineering.
All right, but if you don't have the tranny that's gonna shift and handle the engine and all the power, then you ain't getting nowhere. It's German engineering.
We'll put a Viper transmission. Don't worry about it.
All right.
Yeah. So we're just gonna go down to maybe Beverly Hills, grab a bite to eat, and we're actually gonna call George. We're gonna call George and ask him if he wants to race with us. So we'll see what happens with that. So let us know, guys, what you guys think. All right. Don't forget to subscribe, by the way.
Smash that shit.
Alright guys, we just got back in the car. Me and Artie are gonna go down to Rodeo Drive right now, grab something to eat with this monster right here, this Jeep. And the thing is, this car belongs in the desert, not at Rodeo Drive, but you know what? We're actually gonna take it to Rodeo Drive. You ready, Artie?
Yeah, I'm always ready.
Alright bro,
Let's do this.
let's go. Well guys, that's it for today. We had a good trip. We had a great experience with this car. Thanks to DCD, David at DCD Customs, for letting us grab this car for the day and, you know, test it out, see how it is to have a Hemi engine in a Jeep. And it was great. I loved it. This car is just awesome.
Just need a day for recovery from my ears. But
The thing is loud, but it's crazy. It's fun. It's a fun car to have. Yeah guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to comment below about getting that race going with the 4x4 squared and this Jeep right here, and see who's gonna win on a straightaway.
Or if you have any questions about this particular build and which is the proper way to build it, you can follow DCD Customs. He could maybe help you out, or comment below your questions. And give us a thumbs up. We'll catch you guys in the next video.
All right guys, peace.